Hello, my name is Qihui Liang, and I'm a PhD student from Leiden University Science-Based Business Group. My topic today is what drives labor supply decisions in the gig economy. First, what are gig economy and gig workers? Gig economy is a free market where organizations contract with independent workers for short-term engagements. Gig workers are people working in the gig economy. They often have two characteristics. They have high level of work autonomy and they are paid by tasks, assignments, or sales. These features raise challenges in gig workers' labor markets. For companies, most participants are active in just a few months out of the year, and high compensation is offered to guarantee adequate labor supply. For gig companies, enough workers in the labor pool are crucial for high service capacity. So here comes our research purpose. How do people make labor supply decisions in the gig economy, and what can gig companies do to increase labor supply? After reviewing the related literature, we built a research model with 4 hypotheses and 3 independent variables, that is, wage rate, wage uncertainty, and job flexibility. Based on conventional labor supply theory and gig economy circumstances, hypothesis 1A and 2 and 3 are developed. In short, high wage rate and higher flexibility increase the likelihood of choosing the job and number of working hours. Higher wage uncertainty decreases the likelihood of choosing a job and the number of working hours for the job. In addition, taking income targeting behavior into account, which is shown in the taxi drivers, we develop hypothesis 1B. After wage rate reaches a certain level, a gig worker's working hours will decrease. To test the hypothesis, we apply investment experiment. In the experiment, we use the investment concepts. For example, returns on investment indicating the wage rates, investment risk indicating the wage uncertainty, and minimum required tokens indicating the job flexibility. In this way, we mimic the jobs and the gig economy. 4 gig jobs and 1 full-time job are represented by 5 investment plans with different values of independent variables. Here is the protocol. Every participant is given 50 tokens as their funds at the beginning of the round. And in the round, they were provided with 5 investment plans with different average returns, standard deviation of returns, and minimum token. They are asked to distribute their tokens to 5 different plans. This is the procedure of one round. Each participant went through 10 rounds with various investment scenarios. We conducted our first experiment in April, and participants are 28 master students from the university. To analyze, 2 equations are created to illustrate the labor supply decision. Choice equation is to reflect whether people choose to work in job I or not. Level equation is to reflect how people change their working hours when they choose the job. As the result, for all gig jobs, wage rates have a positive impact on the likelihood of choosing the job and working hours. Wage uncertainty and job flexibility have a negative impact on the likelihood of choosing the job and the working hours. For future studies, more live investment experiments are expected. In addition, Field experiments will be conducted online on online gig platforms such as mTurk to validate the results. Thanks for listening.